Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're out. I hope you're having a good Saturday morning. Yes, I'm still up from last night. Husband's got like an hour. Let's see, 5 o'clock. He'll be home in 2 hours. That's when I probably will crash because Scott's on nights and I don't sleep well when Scott's not home. So, what to do? So, what I chose to do is we all been doing this hashtag swap and glue books. I started out in a big one, and I'll show you the difference. Here's my big one. It's pretty big. I should have started with a small one. So, the other day, I noticed I had a small one up there, and I don't know, because I lost it, okay? And I knew I had one. I couldn't find it. Well, I found it the other night, straightening stuff, and I'm like, yeah, I should have did this one. I should have looked better before I started. So tonight I decided, yeah, I'm going to switch to a small one. So what I did is, because I already did 2 in the big one, I took them out. I made a pocket in the back, and I just put them in the pocket. So I have them. But to honor Sabrina, the Mismatch crafter, and Stephie's Crafty Adventure, I did take some stuff I received from them and created 2 new pages in the brand new books. So it's kind of, so I'm here to share them. So the first one, of course, is Sabrina's. Sabrina gave me these awesome images, and I actually refused to use the originals. So I copied it, and I took some little bits and pieces that I had left from her envelope, and an image that had lips on, and these circles I had left, and these roses, and I just kind of put them on her piece. And then took some coloring and just kind of smeared it here and there a little bit. And that is the first piece I got in this book from the images from Sabrina, the Mismatch crafter. So it's different, that's for sure. I think it looks cool. So, man, the second page, I didn't do 2 pages from each lady in this one, like I did last time, is from Sabrina, the Mismatch crafter. The next one I did is from Stephanie's Crafty Adventure. I'll have both these ladies' channels linked in the description box below so you can go check them out. Is this one. So, I had a bunch of little square pieces I cut to do on the first one left. So I did build the background on this. And I took this table image and cut that out. Took this window, this candles, this little jar lids wreaths, and then this deer, and I have this painting, a window, a little mason jar, an umbrella stand, a little bird feeder, a little pond, and then this flower. And I just did this cute little layout, and there's Steph's paper. And that is images from Stephanie's Crafty Adventure on this one. Not too bad, I thought. And it looks kind of cool. So, from this day forward, I will be using the little one. So, if anybody would like to swap with me, I'm going to try to swap every 2 weeks. This week's already went out in the mail. I'll get some in. And then in 2 weeks' time, I'll send out again. So, if you're interested in doing a hashtag swap and glue with me, shoot me an email. And I will give you the date that I will be shipping out. And then you can figure out your date. And then all that good stuff. I'm actually enjoying this. I could probably do a whole book of gluing pages down and coming up with a concept in probably 3 nights, to be honest. I got a whole bucket full that I've collected. So, but I like the aspect of getting some in the mail and having to come up with a picture or something. And like, I'll show the ones just earlier that I made. And like I said, I kept them. Ooh. So this one is the first one I did from the images from Sabrina. And I was like, man, I'll cut them, but I can't because I was going to try to cut them and put them in the book. And then I remembered I did both sides. So all I did is kind of crease it in center. So this is the first one I did with Sabrina's. images she sent me. Like you can see, some are the circles and the pieces from her envelope. And then on the back side was this photo of Trump she sent me. And in the newspaper, and I got these words and this bird, and all this on the back. Yeah, it's from Sabrina's. And I might just maybe paper clip them like this also. I haven't decided yet. We'll see. But I did make the pocket so I didn't lose them. And this is the first one I did with Stephanie's. Ugh, I cannot talk tonight. I should say tonight. It's early morning. Stephanie's Crafty Adventure. I took paper and I made little squares and I made a background and I used these images and then words. And that's that one. And then this one I used a little bit of stuff I had, like the gal and the flowers. But this I got from Stephanie and I thought it was so cute and I thought she'd look cute coming down off the side, hanging on that swing. So that's the one that included Stephanie's as well. So I kept them, ladies. They are in the back of the book. I'll put them back. Or like I said, I might just put like Sabrina's here and clip Stephanie's there. So they're all together. I don't know yet. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Saturday. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. And I will have both these ladies' channels linked in the description box below. Bye, everybody, and have a good day.